Welcome back to our channel, guys. Now we're doing the potable water expansion tank replacement, and we're just looking at few pointers we need to know when replacing. Now, water heater is at work. It creates rise or change in water pressure, right? Now, if it gets too high, this can damage joints and plumbing fixtures in your house. Now, the potable water expansion tank regulates this rise in pressure and prevent damage to your joints and your plumbing fixture. Now, in replacing one that is bad, well, the one that I'm replacing, it's actually, I think I've done its course, it's leaking. Now, it's very important to know the pressure on your system. There should be a pressure valve on the inlet side from the city, if there, and that shows you what pressure your system is operating on. If you do not have one, there are portable ones that you can attach to your outside tap and it will show you the pressure. Now, whatever pressure your system is operating on, you should always try to match it with the PSI in your potable water expansion tank. Now, this is pre-charge at 20 psi. You should not exceed 80 psi, and when working, the max working psi is 150 for this 4.5 gallon. It's Watts brand, pretty good brand. Now, for my system, I went ahead and done my check, and it's operating on 50 psi. So with this being 20, I can go ahead and do a check for you. And this tag should always remain for warranty. Now, okay, so this, as said, is pre-charge at 20 psi. So it means that I need to go ahead and fill up my tank to 50 psi, 30 psi more. Now, it is recommended that we use a manual pump, but I've seen people use or electrical pumps and compressors, so forth. But it's important that you do not exceed your PSI that your system is operating on. So once we have done that, simple, you need to put your Teflon tape on your 3/4 thread connection, and your handy tools is your channel locks, one to hold the pipe system and one to hold your expansion tank, and you put it on. Now, in doing this, once you know your pressure, first, what do you want to do? You want to turn off the water coming in from the city. You want to turn off your water heater, and you want to open a tap or two to drain the system. Once that is done, then you go ahead, that is after you have prepped your tank to whatever PSI you're operating on, putting on your Teflon tape, then you go ahead, screw it on, install it, then you can turn on your supply, your water heater, and check for leaks. So again, make sure your tank is to the pressure recommended or to the pressure that your system is operating on, right? Turn off your water main, turn off your water heater, open a tap or two, drain the system, Teflon tape, tighten it, check for leaks. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna top up my water expansion tank to 50 psi. So here we go, guys. Our Teflon tape is on nicely, ready to go, and I have inflated this to Aha, 50 psi. So we are all good and ready to go. So I'm just gonna put our valve cap back on. Well, let's go with our warranty paper, our valve cap, and paper holder. And all I gotta do now is go unscrew the other one and screw the new one on. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.